You can now continue working with any Copilot CLI session running on your computer from your phone or from anywhere, whether you're in the terminal or Visual Studio Code. You can now walk away, but continue working whenever you need to. This is how it works. I've got my link sharing website open in the terminal, and I've given Copilot a task. Create a plan for a new feature that will allow me to favorite or pin certain links to the top of my share page here. The plan is ready to be implemented, and I want to walk away, but keep working on this. So I can type /remote on. This enables remote access via a web interface secured by my GitHub login, and all of my sessions are private, only visible to me, but allowing me to interact with this local CLI session and continue right from here. But if I press Control E, then I get a QR code. If I scan that with my phone, now I'm looking at the same live session right on my phone. But if you have the GitHub app installed, you get something even better than a browser tab. You get a native app experience. My sessions appear right in the Copilot tab. I can kick off the implementation of this feature and see the agent's activity streaming live. I can answer questions, approve or deny tool calls. I can even review diffs. Or I can queue up my next message while the current step is still running. And you can access multiple remote sessions across projects as well. On the web, all of my sessions show up at github.com/agents, and I can see which remote sessions I've currently got access to. In the GitHub app, everything appears under Copilot, and I have the same access to all of my sessions. And because the Copilot CLI and VS Code are seamlessly integrated, I can open this same remote session from the CLI in VS Code chat. No restart, no losing my place. And because it's all the same CLI under the hood, I can type /remote on right here in VS Code chat and get the exact same experience. QR code, web interface, GitHub mobile app, one command, and it works everywhere. And believe it or not, none of this actually requires GitHub for source control. It works with any source control, or just no source control at all. It will still work, and you can still use /remote. Remote is available today in the GitHub Copilot CLI and Visual Studio Code.